What I'm doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Puppies everywhere. What's up, babe? Oh, here comes the other one. There we go. That's all four. Oh. Hello. People said they wanted a close-up of you. Is that okay? What are you doing? You're okay. And there's the queen. What's up, girlie? Did she get in the way? Huh? Did she get in the way? Yeah, it's a good baby. It's a good baby. Well, there's a minute of me being molested. And there's the other one. He's heading down there with everybody else. Alright, guys. We got to go over and check on eggs. Losing daylight here. It's a little after 6 now, so I don't know if I'm going to get this video even up on time. But we'll see what happens. It's been a great day. Really, just the weather was fantastic. You can see, even up through here, like most of the snow is melted now. And even like all through here, we just got a little bit of snow here and there. Now, most of it is gone, which is great. I had to, well, I didn't have to, but I went and did running around today. I had a couple of propane tanks I had to fill. I had one gas can I wanted to fill. And I also picked up more puppy chow, more dog food for Hella, and then went grocery shopping. And it was funny, because in my head I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to keep it at about $100. $100 on groceries. And when I got done and she rang everything up, $100.45. I'm like, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So, but I'm going to go in here real quick and we're going to check for eggs. Everybody's already put themselves to bed. Hello, chickies. Yeah. Let's have a look and see. Yeah. One more. I won't give the full count because I have my private live stream at 8 o'clock. And so, well, I don't care what we won't do an egg count in there. 2 eggs today. And here's Betty White's egg. I knew she was going to lay. That's why I came back out to check. Because, hey babies. Hey babies. So, what I'm going to do with this egg, I'm going to show you. Hella! Hella! Hey! God, she's such a... I think she has Caesar there. I think that's Caesar. Yeah, that's Caesar she's messing with. I think he's going to be the alpha. So, Hella, will you stop? So she's harder on him because he's kind of exerting himself as the alpha male. Look at, you hear him growling at her? She's like, no, I'm still the boss. Too funny. But anyhow, so I'll show you my normal routine with the puppies now. So this egg here will go, I'll just set that on top of there for right now. When I take that in, when I put them away, I'll break the egg. I'll even leave the eggshell. They eat everything. And then I got their conch full of peanut butter, and then I got more food. So that's kind of become the routine a little bit here. The peanut butter is good for them. And there is, hey, Zeus, where are you going? Where are you going? I'm going to sit back down over here. Come here, Zeus. It's a good boy. This one has grown on me, I got to tell you guys. He really, really has. He's full of it, too. They all are, actually. There's something else. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. I've enjoyed these guys immensely. So, but anyway, so it's been a good day, productive. Got a bunch of stuff done that I wanted to get done. I had to do my running today because now tomorrow's all supposed to be a nice day, and I want to start moving stone again tomorrow. I wanted to give it. Now my phone's ringing. I wanted to give it one more day for the snow to melt down before I started getting back into working on the driveway again. But I'm going to be, that's my game plan for tomorrow, is to work on the driveway. And I'll do some video and I'll show you guys that. But I wanted to get this running around done today. I'll tell you, if I could stay out here, guys, and not leave for 2-3 weeks at a time and just be here, I would be perfectly content with that. It doesn't bother me at all, not at all. Definitely enjoy the peace and quiet, and it's very real. I find it relaxing. I really, really, truly do. See, he's testing her. See how he's testing her? He's, like I said, he's going to be the dominant male. Caesar is going to be the dominant male, but the two that I was originally going to keep are just super chill anyway. That's just their nature. Zeus is very, very smart. He's too smart for his own good, I think, sometimes. Hell, let's stop. Don't pull. Hey! But anyhow, but yeah, it's actually temperature-wise, it's still mild. I think our low tonight, I think it's only going to go down to like 36 degrees. That ain't bad at all. I'll take that all day long. So I'm happy about that. And so tomorrow's going to be in the 50s again. And I think we hit 53 today, something in that range. But, you know, it was, I mean, I'm wearing, turn this around real quick. This is what I changed my pants out when I got back. But I had on this shirt and just long johns underneath. That's all I wore. I didn't even have a hat on today. So it was really, really nice and enjoyable. And like I said, so I processed from the video you saw earlier today. I did 4 trays, and I got whatever's left in those other trays kind of draining into one of the buckets. I still have 4 more trays to do, but I'm like waiting for the honey to filter through the filter right now. So we'll see how that ends up playing out. Alright guys, I will jump off. I will see you all later. I hope you have a great day. Prep Nurse 1, out for now.